Right, so this video is basically on how to upload your maps to the server settings, that sort of thing. How to update the mods, and also sharing your file. So this is a previously done map. Spawn comp is here. Objectives at the north. You can test it, as mentioned before, by going to play multiplayer, and you can test like your triggers and everything else out as if you were in game. So you're going to save it, and then scenario, export to multiplayer. Now there's a couple of different ways of doing it. So what I would do is you go to wherever your Steam library is located. So obviously mine's located on my SSD. So Steam library, Steam apps. Then you're going to go to common, Arma 3, and then you've got MP missions. So click on that. This will enable you to upload the PBO, basically a packet file, straight to the server. This is where it is found if you're looking for it for the first time, or if, for example, you make it on your own computer, you want to send it to me or whoever, you send it to me in this format, and I can upload this straight away to the server in this format. The other version is basically the edit version. So you would go to your documents, which are here. Then you would click Arma 3 other profiles, your user, and then go to MP missions. And again, you may recognise this from one of the previous videos, but you could copy and paste this file. The most important thing here is this mission.sqm. So like I say, in that as well, you would probably have these two in there as well. So that description.ext and the banner logo. Copy all of that, give it to the other person. What they will need is the this exact file name. So you're going to need to copy and paste that and put it in there. So yeah, that's that part. And then you can effectively forward that. They can edit it, and then they can upload to the server. So if I minimize that one. So yeah. Right. Next bit. So yeah, you go to Steam Workshop, collections, and if you just type in fifth Steam, call it Steam when it's actually Steel. And then there are two versions. You want to install this one, or make sure this one is installed. Now, to check if you need to update any content, so updatable content, it's fully updated. Maybe I check this like just before the op anyway. Sometimes you do need to do the Steam update. You can click on this and it will do the entire thing for you in one go. Right, so to upload the map, what you want to do is go to File Manager, scroll down until you see MP missions, double click, and these are the maps. Now I already have the map that I'm after, which is the Ironstride map. However, what you do is you do upload, select file, show all files. That may be slightly different on yours. Obviously this is Bandicam. So you want to do Arm 3 other profiles, me. Oh, correction, that shows you, and then MP. That shows you here. This is not the one that you want. You want the one that's in your Steam library. So Steam library, Steam apps, common, Arma 3, MP missions, and then you find the PBO. You click there and then you click open, and then what will happen is it will basically come down with the map name here. Then what you want to do is you want to copy, you see this line here, you want to copy everything on it apart from the .pbo. If you put the .pbo in it, it will not run. So you do that. Then you want to go to configuration files. Then you want to select text editor. Well, text editor on the server.cfg. Basically, you put all your settings in there, like whatever words you want in there, you know, on the side here, or basically server passwords, admin stuff. So yeah, here is normally where the passwords are. However, you don't need to see them just this minute. Obviously, welcome messages, da da da. So you want to scroll all the way down, and then you want to go to where it says class missions, template equals, and then basically paste in what you literally just copied. So it will be AW2 Ironstride .fox Vanam. The .fox Vanam is obviously the map name. And then after that, you click save and exit. Right, so that is it. So I uploaded the map via file manager, configuration files, text editor where it says server.cfg. And then the hardest bit, you click on there and you click start. And now this server, as you well know, takes a couple of minutes to kick in. So from there, it will tell you when the server's active. It should say it around here somewhere. In a minute, there you go. So started successfully. Now, if you have errors while the game runs, you can click on the log viewer, and basically there'll be like an option to download the or stream the well, that's the web console, but web console when it's live, log view when it's not. So you see here, it's just ticking over, it's starting up. There will be some errors. There's a few conflicts here and there in this. But it's primarily updating and turning on at the moment, so that's the main thing. So go back to Armour, server browser. Well, you know this stuff. The direct connect search. Yet it's not quite active just yet. It's still chugging through the process. Usually give it a couple of minutes. Red says finally loaded. So connect and connect. Again, it's always a good idea to run it, because what will happen is, you know, you can see any errors or anything like that that are immediate and stuff that doesn't work. Obviously, you can change it. So I'm going to hop into wherever my Zeus slot is. It's here. Texture, that's, as you know, to do with the mods. Respawn, and there we go. So yeah, we're in game. Full Zeus. There we are. That's it. Successful test. Yeah. So that's basically that. I won't do another video on this bit because that's pretty much all you need to update. And it is relatively self-explanatory. As you can see, there was one player on it, which is me. Usually if there's an error, like I say, if you go to log viewer, you can stream it or download it after the fact, and you can generally see what's missing. If you go to the slot screen, sometimes what happens is it will flicker and it'll say like missing gumbeg or missing missing model or something like that. Generally it means that there's an issue with the model. Now I've noticed it with some vehicles you place down, sometimes those vehicles have to be placed in Zeus after the fact, but again it's a minor thing relatively. But yeah, so you've got the web console. The other bits, don't touch, don't play with. There is a backup of the server, but I don't like reinstalling it. It takes forever. But yeah, that's that part.